На связи снова Данда. Итак, продолжаем прохождение. Так, на третий. Мы находились в лагере Максвелл. И сейчас там еще будет одна из самых моих любимых миссий. Что ж, вперед.
All right, follow me. For now, we're regrouping at Maxwell, whoever's left. Just don't get too comfortable. You're one of the last groups we've been in contact with. Captain Miller's coordinating things. Believe it or not, he's the ranking officer left on this fucking rock. He's just over there, setting up a temporary briefing area right now. We're piling the few weapons we have just beside it. It's not exactly an armory, but we need to take stock of whatever we got. So for now, we're dividing up into 4 squads. Alpha through Delta. I'm leading Delta, and your squad leader's just over there. Sergeant Conway's heading up Alpha. You guys must know each other. Anyway, Miller's got the details. A healer went down on the forest nearby. He's putting together a plan. Get your shit together and report in when you're set, Corporal. We'll try to sort out exactly what the fuck is going on.
Так, ну что ж, пойдемте попробуем с вами раздобыть более подходящее снаряжение для выполнения миссии. Сейчас вспомню, где же оно у нас находится. Оружие. Ага. Макс вот здесь. Пошел туда. Жена, по-моему, должна быть где-то справа внизу. Остановитесь. Но выбор у нас, как видите, невелик. Сильно много аптечек брать не будем. Так, что, пойдемте доложимся. Вроде бы сюда входил, нет?
Gary, good to see you, man. This shit's a mess. Anyway, this Captain Miller wants to speak to us. Come on, let's find out what he wants. You coming?
We're still piecing together what happened this morning, but one thing is clear. Altis armed forces on Stratis are hostile. Right now, long-range comms are down. Commander McKinnon is confirmed KIA, and whatever equipment we may have had is either halfway scrapped or entirely wrecked. We need to organize, rearm, make a plan, and take back the initiative. We'll split up. I've nominated 3 men, Conway, Lacey, and Mitchell, to each lead a squad, Alpha through Charlie. My own team will operate as Delta under the command of Lieutenant James. Now, the first priority is situational awareness. Half our force will go on recon. Another squad will dig in here and take stock of whatever equipment we've got to hand. And that just leaves us with our most pressing concern. The AAF managed to bring down a Blackfoot. It crash-landed dangerously close to our position. There's a burning wreck and a smokestack a mile high. That is no good. Alpha will secure the crash site, make a sweep for any survivors, and get rid of it. Questions? All right. Let's move out, gentlemen.
Так, вооружиться. Ага. Опять бежит вооружаться. В принципе, здесь для каждой миссии необходимо что-то взять с собой. Ну, будь то рация, радио, взрывчатка, либо еще что-то. Ага, миноискатель, взрывной заряд и прыгающая мина. Как видите, стандартно нам дают, да? Прыгающая мина. Минное зелье. Так, сейчас попробуем взять. Где у нас мина? Так, ну все, мы все, собственно, взяли. Так, собраться. Ну что, выдвигаемся на точку сбора. Ну, собственно, у нас задача выдвинуться к месту крушения, осмотреть, поискать выживших, занять место крушения, установить взрывчатку на блок, уничтожить и вернуться в лес. Поехали.
Alpha to Falcon, approaching crash site, over.
Confirmed, Alpha. Make a sweep of the immediate area. Out.
Contact! Patrol just up ahead! Find some cover and open fire! Target down! Larkin, Carey, engage that man! Front! Armstrong, fire at that soldier! Attacking! Okay, looks like that was the last one. Falcon, this is Alpha. Enemy forces occupying the crash site neutralized. Securing now, over.
Copy that, Alpha. Be advised, Bravo reports enemy movement incoming from Gurner. Get in and get out. Falcon, out.
Пытаемся
we've got a
устанавливать
survivor at the
мины.
crash site. He's immobilized. We don't have the supplies to get him moving. Requesting medevac. Over.
Medivac? With respect, Alpha, it's not like we've got a helo on standby here. Bear with me. Wait one. Alright, Alpha. The best we can do is divert an element from Delta. They can bring a stretcher. Sit tight. Out.
Here they come. Engage at will. Area clear. Carrot, engage that man! Soldier, 75 meters, behind us! Rifleman, 75 meters, left! Medic, 75 meters, left!
Ну ладно, не вопрос, попробуем еще раз.
Falcon, we've got a survivor at the crash site. He's immobilized. We don't have the supplies to get him moving. Requesting medevac. Over.
Medivac? With respect, Alpha, it's not like we've got a helo on standby here. Bear with me. Wait one. Alright, Alpha. The best we can do is divert an element from Delta. They can bring a stretcher. Sit tight. Out.
Here they come. Engage at will.
На подходе не получилось. Ладно, попробуем еще разочек. Прямо на самом подходе их поймать. Мины расставим, наверное, возле вертолета, а направо уйдем и сами будем
Falcon,
атаковать.
we've got a survivor at the crash site. He's immobilized. We don't have the supplies to get him moving. Requesting medevac. Over.
Medivac? With respect, Alpha, it's not like we've got a helo on standby here. Bear with me. Wait one. Alright, Alpha. The best we can do is divert an element from Delta. They can bring a stretcher. Sit tight. Out.
Угу. Здесь положили, так возвращаемся назад.
Enemy! Carry! Fire at that soldier! Rifleman, 75 meters, left! Contact, man! Contact, rifleman! Carry! Engage that...
Ну да, только я умею подрываться на своих минах. Охеренно. Окей, repeat once more, please.
Falcon, we've got a survivor at the crash site. He's immobilized. We don't have the supplies to get him moving. Requesting medevac. Over.
Medivac? With respect, Alpha, it's not like we've got a helo on standby here. Bear with me. Wait one. Alright, Alpha. The best we can do is divert an element from Delta. They can bring a stretcher. Sit tight. Out.
Да ладно!
What is it?
I've got no pulse. It's gone.
Alpha, this is Delta. This is pilot. Please advise, over. Acknowledge, Delta. You did what you could. Fall back. Alpha, continue on mission. Destroy the wreck and get back to Maxwell. Out.
Carrie, plant a charge on that wreck.
I'm on it. Charge planted, sir.
Okay, wait till we're all clear before detonating. He's down! Area clear.
Moving.
Да. Так, пойдем-ка подберем более-менее путевое снаряжение, если оно есть. Это должно было появиться. Думаю, на данный момент нам этого хватит.
Hey, Carrie, did you hear? Bravo ran into some trouble. Sergeant Lacey's pinned down in some village. You ready to go?
As you are aware, we've been scouting positions to the north, keeping tabs on enemy movement. Unfortunately, Bravo ran into trouble, taking contact in a village a little to the west of our position. They're pinned down and need our support, gentlemen. An advanced element has already set up a position nearby to get eyes on the situation. AAF units have mobilized in the valley leading to the village. More support is no doubt en route. Alpha will approach from the east. Use the hills and the forest cover to your advantage. Clear the village and get our boys out of there. Okay, regroup and report in.
Так, я на секундочку прервусь буквально. Ну что ж, продолжаем. Так, если мне память сейчас не изменяет, то мы должны с вами захватывать Гирну. А для этого нам понадобятся, наверное, трассера. Еще пару магазинов с трассерами возьмем. И будет все отлично. Ну все, вперед. Браво попала в беду, наткнувшись на противника в деревне. Их прижали. Короче, наша задача спасти отряд Браво. Далеко от Гирны. Окей, поехали.
Double time, gentlemen. Back into the forest. We'll track along the ridge line and take up a position above the village.
Sir, update. We've got enemy movement in the valley. At least one greenback fire team. Looks like they're outflanking Bravo's position in the village. Over.
Acknowledge, Private. Appreciate the heads up. We're just east of your position en route to the staging point. Fall back and link up with us. Out. Alpha to Falcon, be advised. Contact spotted near the village. Do we engage? Over.
Negative, Alpha. Seize the high ground. Stay on mission. Out.
Okay, Jackson reports contacts in the valley. Keep your eyes open, gentlemen. Jackson, did you copy my last? Fall back and regroup. Over. Private Jackson, respond. Over. Change of plan. I can't raise Jackson. We'll divert to his last known position. Get set for contact, gentlemen. Move 75 meters. Front. Move up. Damn it! Jackson's down. Doc, check on him. The rest of you, covering fire! Falcon, this is Alpha. We've taken casualties. Stand by for update. Target down! Concentrate your fire down the valley! Falcon, come in. This is Alpha 4. Jackson's hit. Requesting support at our position. Over.
Negative, Alpha 4. Delta is unavailable. We're stretched thin here. Falcon out.
Falcon, we're a man short and Greenbacks have taken up a position in the valley. What are our orders?
Stay on mission, Alpha. Bravo still needs your support. Avoid the valley. Maneuver around the threat. Clear the village. Falcon out.
Shit! Alright, you heard it, guys! Move 100 meters. Front.
Bravo to Alpha. Bravo to Alpha. Good to see you guys. We're pinned down here. Two-story house, center of the village. Watch your fire.
Hostiles! Engaging target! Contacts on the ridgeline, northwest! Focus your fire! Larkin, engage that man, west! Armstrong,
Прямо на
attack
дерево.
that rifleman, west! Move 75 meters, front! Medic! Attacking! Scratch one! Shit, we got a man down! Hostile down! Soldier, 100 meters, right! I've got him! Nichols, Armstrong, fire at the medic! Medic, 100 meters, front! Engaging! Move 75 meters, front! Scratch one! Carey, Nichols, engage that man! Rifleman, 75 meters, front!
Engaging!
Target down!
All right, Alpha. Looks like we can move. Appreciate the assist. Falcon, this is Bravo. Come in. Over. Receiving you, Bravo. Go ahead. Over. All clear here, sir. Thanks to Alpha, at least. Requesting further orders. Over. Good to hear, Bravo. Fine work, Alpha. Charlie's inbound with support for your wounded. Entrench your position. Falcon out.
Entrench your position. It's easy for him to say. Where the hell are the Brits anyway? What the fuck is Delta doing?
fires.
Terry, you're up.
On it, sir.
Alpha, Bravo, this is Charlie. We're on station ready to assist. If you can get those assholes painted, Alpha, we can fuck them up. Over? Just don't take all day, guys. We kind of got a situation here.
Move! Cover me! Go! I'll cover! Cover me! Move!
Copy on your mark, Alpha. Take it easy.
Spotters neutralized. Right.
Bravo to Falcon. We just got buzzed out here. Copy, Bravo. We saw him. Get out of there. You heard him, guys. Get the fuck out before he comes back. Take cover. Keep moving. He's not done yet.
Просто великий игрок. Убил одного гренадера. Могу. Но все-таки миссия выполнена. Ну что ж, мы вернулись в лагерь. Я думаю, на этом пока мы остановимся. Продолжим в следующий раз. Всем спасибо за просмотр. Пока-пока.